Kaizer Chiefs' latest and breaking news. According to Goal.com, the 22-year-old Cape Town striker is probably staying with the Urban Warriors because of his pledge to help the club stay up in the top flight. But in reality, Copido has paid his dues with the lowly ranked side like Spurs, and it is time for him to join a club with a bigger profile. The 27-year-old Jody February was with Amazulu last season and was recalled to Downs for a background role. It is time for February to cut ties with Amasantawana. According to Far Post, Kaizer Chiefs are in the final stages of finalizing one more exit before the window closes later this month. This is a major shakeup for the Soweto Giants, who have been one of the most successful clubs in South African football history. However, the club has not won the PSL title since 2015, and they are eager to recapture the glory days. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.